Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Larry right here in Kentucky on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Larry, got it ready to go for you, bud. You came to me with a request. I don't get a whole lot, but we aim to please, and we will custom tailor the radio to your needs. You needed this to turn down to 2 watts, but not exceed around 200 PEP or so. And I think we did just that for you. Let's go ahead and start the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Actually about 1.5 watts all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and show you peak power there, 250 watt scale. Low 200 on the money. So roll it all the way up. 25 all the way up. 250 watt slug. Low, about 199 right there, pretty dang close. I need to show you average power swing, 100 watt slug. Low, still getting about 54 average, so pretty good right there for sure, considering the way things are set up. Alrighty, my friend, we're gonna get this out to you. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.